Yo, what's up, bros and broettes?
That car driving make you feel some type of way. That custom writing make you feel some type of way.
Today we are working on my 240 Regina, aka the Evil Queen. With that being said, today we are actually going to be removing the rear hatch glass, and the main reason we are doing that today is because it is not sealed on the bottom. I'm sure if you look here, you can see the gap. Oh, there it is. Yep, I lift up the gap. Yep. It's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to be sealed. So with that said, I'm going to be attempting to remove this with fishing line. I bought some 50 pound test 50 line, 50 pound test 50 line, 50 pound test line. I watched a video on YouTube of a guy doing it with 50 pound stuff, so that's what I'm gonna try and use. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna feed it through that, part on the bottom and then wrap it around the window. So I'll come back when I have it all ready and set up. Alright guys, so I got the fishing line ran around the glass. As you can see, I tied it right here. And it goes down. That's where it's not even attached all the way up here. So it goes around along the rubber part between the glass and the hatch. It goes along in here behind, it's underneath the trim pieces. And then I'll start over here and just pull it, I'll wrap it with an extension, a ratchet extension, and just pull it all the way. We'll see how that goes. Wish me luck. Well, that didn't take long. That shit broke ASAP. Yo, what's up guys? So I was attempting to take out the glass, and I ain't above showing my failures, so this was a pretty big one. Yeah, I have no window back here now. Yeah, I broke my window. Yeah, so if you don't know how to take out a window yourself, call a professional and have them do it. Because my window was perfect. All I needed to be doing is re-glued down. And I tried to accomplish this myself to save myself a few dollars, and I ended up breaking my windshield. My rear window. Hopefully I can call like Safelite or something like that and then get me a new piece of glass. If not, then I will scour the internet for a new hatch. So with that said, yeah. That sucks. When the glass fell, it also cut out my legs a little bit. Right there. And on this side, yeah. That wasn't fun. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. I am very upset about this, but hey, this shit happens. So with that said, peace out. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe. And until next time, peace out, and never look back.